Are you a realtor struggling to close deals? Your solution might just lie in the art of decluttering. Imagine walking into a home that's so tidy, it practically sells itself. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we understand the stakes. Our veteran-owned team specializes in preparing homes for showings, ensuring they shine brighter than your competition. When potential buyers walk into a space, the last thing you want them to see is clutter. We help create an inviting atmosphere that highlights the best features of your listings. Quick turnarounds? Absolutely. We know time is money, and our flexible services are designed to meet your tight schedules, especially before open houses. Here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on those lights before a showing. A well-lit, decluttered space feels inviting and comfortable. Selling a home can be stressful, but with TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service. You're enlisting a partner dedicated to your success. Interested? Check the video description for more details and contact us today to elevate your listings.